Hey there, I'm Meg. If benefits are holding you back from starting a business and going self-employed, this video is for you. The following lesson is part of my free online Business 101 course, which also covers things like pricing, establishing an LLC, writing a business plan, getting your first clients, customers, and more. Head to missmegabug.com to sign up or check out the direct link in the description of this video. Okay, before we dive into all of this, I have to share that everything we're about to cover, I've learned from experience. I am not an attorney or a certified public accountant. The information I'm about to share is meant to guide you, and I highly recommend reaching out to an attorney, certified public accountant, or business advisor to help advise you on your specific journey. So let's get started, and let's start with retirement. A 401k at a company is a SEP IRA when you're self-employed. SEP meaning Simplified Employee Pension Plan. You are considered an employee of your business. It works like a traditional IRA in that your contributions are tax deductible now and the distributions are taxed later on. You can offer SEP IRA accounts to your employees, but you have to contribute to them. This gets a bit complicated, so be sure to reach out to a business advisor or your financial planner. As for the limit of what you can contribute to your SEP IRA, it's 25% of your business's net income up to $58,000 in 2021. In comparison, the max contribution in a 401k is $19,500 in 2021, while the max contribution for a traditional or Roth IRA in 2021 is $6,000 if you're under 50 or $7,000 if you're 50 or older. So that's a lot and definitely something worth looking into. You can also have a Roth IRA and a SEP IRA depending on your income. Note that your SEP IRA contributions are tax deductible, but only at the end of the year, so be sure to calculate your self-employed estimated quarterly taxes without your SEP IRA contributions. Let's move on to health insurance, which is likely the top benefit keeping you from quitting your job and diving into self-employment. So many people are afraid of how expensive their health insurance would be if they did not get it through their employers, but they never actually look into it. All it takes is checking out healthcare.gov or talking to an insurance broker, which I recommend. My health insurance broker also sells me my business insurance, home insurance, and auto insurance, which is super convenient. For 2021, my husband and I will be paying $477 a month for health insurance. That's it. Granted, our health insurance is a high deductible plan, but it's actually a better plan than when we had insurance through my husband's employer, and we're not paying that much more for it. Remember, your insurance premium will depend on the type of plan you choose and the state you live in. And not only that, my business can pay 50% of my health insurance premium. I'm the primary on my plan, so my portion is $300, which means my business can pay for and write off $150 a month. We also went with a plan that offers HSA contributions. An HSA is a health savings account that is tax deductible and not taxed on withdrawal as long as the funds are spent on qualifying expenses. This is literally the only contribution you can write off your taxes and not be taxed when you use it. And unlike an FSA, flexible savings account, you don't have to use your money up at the end of the year. You can save it for as long as you'd like. My husband pointed out that when you're older, your main expense is more than likely to be health insurance, so it makes sense to invest as much as possible in an HSA. Granted, you likely won't earn interest on it, but the tax benefits are pretty nifty. The max HSA contribution for 2021 is $3,600 for yourself only or $7,200 for family coverage. Your spouse counts as family. As for other self-employed benefits, you can likely pay for and write off most things through your business, such as tuition, if it pertains to your business. Just ask your CPA. And as a business owner, you can take unlimited time off, have a flexible work schedule, and work from home. If benefits are holding you back from diving into self-employment, be sure to reach out to a business advisor, insurance broker, and/or a CPA so you know exactly what the numbers are and where you'll stand. it's likely not as bad as you're thinking. The benefits could even be better if you went self-employed. That's it for benefits. To learn even more about starting a business, check out my free Business 101 course at missmegabug.com or visit the direct link in the video description below. I'll see you there.